Understanding collision frequency in gases. Ever wondered how often gas molecules collide with each other? This is called collision frequency, how often molecules crash into one another in a given space and time. Z equals n squared sigma squared V with simple labels. N equals number of molecules. Sigma equals collision diameter. V equals average velocity. The collision frequency depends on three things: the number of molecules, their size, and how fast they're moving. The faster the molecules move, the more frequently they collide. So, next time you feel the breeze, remember, millions of molecules are colliding around you every second. Join the ViruScience community for more exciting science content.